channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Maddie. So the inspiration for this was actually from a poem I wrote. So it felt good to be able to write that, and then that kind of inspired me to do a smoke themed makeup tutorial. So that's what I have here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and let's go and get started. Also, I'm not smoking a cigarette. I literally went outside and like had my brother light it, and then I brought it in. But I'm literally using a non-nicotine vape. I still wanted it to look cool, but I didn't want to smoke. Hey guys, so to start off, we're going to be taking our Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in medium sand, and we're going to be applying that all over our face. Then we're just going to be buffing that out with a buffing brush. Next, we're going to be taking our NYX HD Concealer in Fair, and we're going to be applying that under our eyes, on the bridge of our nose, our forehead, temples, under our cheekbones, and our chin. Then we're just going to be blending that out using our damp beauty blender. Following that, we're going to be taking our Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, taking these two contour shades, and we're going to be chiseling out our features with the lighter color before going in and deepening up with our darker color. I decided to focus more on the nose so I could really kind of give it that snatched look, and then you're just going to once again be blending this out with your damp beauty blender. We're going to be baking by taking our Airspun translucent powder and a dry Morphe sponge and just applying that all over our highlights. Then we're going to be taking our Lorac Pro, and we're going to be taking the color Snow and applying that to our brow bone. Then taking a clean brush, you just want to go ahead and blend that out. Following that, we're going to be taking mist and just packing that on all over our eyelid, making sure that it blends nicely into snow. Then we're going to be taking Glacier and applying that to the outer corner of the eye, making sure to blend that into the crease as well. Then we're going to be going in with Deep Fog just to deepen up that crease. Then to add more dimension, we're going to be adding Jet Black on top of that, making sure to blend it in so that there are no harsh lines or harsh edges and that it all blends seamlessly together. We're then going to be brushing away our excess translucent powder before we move on to contour. I'm taking my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit, taking medium and dark cocoa, and just deepening up our contour from earlier and setting it with the powder contour over top of our cream contour. For our highlight, we're taking our Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, taking Star, and just applying that to the tops of our cheekbones. We're also going to be going in with the same eyeshadow from earlier and applying that under our lash line. We're also going to be applying the same eyeshadows around our lips as well. To highlight the inner corner of the eye, we're just going to be taking the Star highlight from our Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit again. Now we are moving on to the smoke. I'm just taking my Graftobian Pro Paint in Graveyard Gray, and I'm going to be taking a damp, just normal sponge that you can get from a craft store, and I'm just going to start by creating some broken textures all over my body to kind of replicate the look of smoke after you have smoked a cigarette. And so I'm just applying that around my lips, all over my body, and I'm bringing it up towards my cheekbones and temples as well. I end up going back over and applying it on my eye as well. I really liked the way this looked. It made it look a little bit more three-dimensional, and to make it look even more three-dimensional, we need a little bit of darkness and highlights. So I'm just taking my Mare on Paradise paint in black and applying that to add some shadows to the smoke. And I'm just applying this sporadically over the smoke. You don't want this to take up too much so that the smoke is more black. We're just doing it to add a little bit more detail. We're just going to be curling them. Then we're going to be taking our Graftobian Pro Paint in Graveyard Gray again and applying it to the ears. I find applying makeup to the ears really helps complete the look, and you're also going to be applying that onto your eyelashes as well, and even applying that through your brows. Taking our Graftobian Pro Paint and White Swan, we are then going to be applying the highlights to the smoke. I'm applying even less of this than I did the black. This is just to add a few tiny details so the highlights are a little bit more prominent, and once again, our smoke looks a little bit more three-dimensional. I also decided, since the theme of this look was cigarette kisses, that I would make a few lip marks on my skin in the shape of kisses. I wanted this to be very vague. I really didn't want it to be like, oh, is that a kiss mark? I just wanted to know that they were there, just so it adds a little bit more detail to this look. We're also going to be taking our L'Oreal So Kiss Me eyeliner in black and applying that to our L'Oreal waterline. And last but not least, you're going to be applying some body paints to your hand as well. And that is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below what video you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Am I a vape god now? I can't talk. Just got like whirlpool it away.